Now we are going to make some inferences based on what patterns you have observed when looking at the Dewey Decimal Classification summaries. So I'm going to go through an example for you so you kind of see what we're looking at. So when I look at the second summary, you can do this from any of the summaries. But when I first see are the 200s, the religion section. And then I noticed it is the 220s is the Bible, then there's Christianity practice, pastoral care, organization, history of Christianity, Christian denominations, and we just have 290s for all of the other religions in the world. Now, what I can infer about this is that this is really important to Dewey for some reason. It could be because he is a Christian himself, and so he doesn't include much others. Could be he doesn't know much about any other religions. He could be just using whatever materials he had at the time to create the Dewey Decimal Classification system. And that's a majority of what it was. Maybe back in the day there weren't as many books about the variety of different religions around here. So that is kind of what I can infer from just this little section. So what can you infer about what was important to Dewey and his early adopters based on how this system is organized and the patterns that you have noticed already?